great confusion out there with food intolerance and food allergy. Most people will call a food intolerance a food allergy, but the fact of the matter is food allergies are a lot more rare, thank goodness.
Yes.
About 2.5% of the population will have a food allergy. The rest tends to be more of a food intolerance.
Okay, wow.
The difference there is food allergy is actually quite a severe reaction. Comes on fairly rapidly, and it also a food allergy is going to happen within 2 hours of having a food or ingesting something that doesn't suit the individual.
Okay.
Whereas a food intolerance, quite different. We're looking at a longer period of time to see symptoms, so it can be the next day or even 48 hours later a person has a symptom. Their symptoms tend to be not as severe. It's not life-threatening like a food allergy can be, but it can be quite debilitating. It's more your chronic type of symptoms, so your typical not feeling right in the gut or headaches or sinuses and so on. So different, very different. Yeah, they're tested differently as well. A food allergy is tested through pathology, looking at IgE levels in the blood, and we can send off for that in clinic. So it's a few days wait to get the results there. With a food intolerance, we actually do the blood prick. We're looking at IgG levels in the blood with the food intolerance.
Okay.
We do that testing in clinic,
Okay.
and results can be had on the day.